A lot of people ask this all the time. Why does the same Temu promo code work for someone else, but not for me? The answer is actually very simple. And once you know this, Temu makes a lot more sense. First things first, I've put the working Temu promo code right here on the screen, and it's also in the description and pinned comment, along with a couple of backup codes Temu is running right now. Now here's the reason this happens. Temu promo codes don't activate automatically. If you just type a code randomly or try to check out, Temu often ignores it. That's why it looks like the code works for others. Here's the correct way to do it. Step 1. Click the first link in the description. This step matters. The link tells Temu which promo you're trying to activate. Once you click it, you'll land on a special Temu page where the promo is tied to your account. Step 2. You'll see a QR code on the screen. Scan it with your phone to activate the promo code. If you're on desktop and can't scan, don't worry. You'll also see a promo code you can enter manually for the same discount. Once the promo is activated, it gets added to your account. Now, when you shop and go to checkout, make sure you tap available coupons and select the promo code manually. If you don't select it, Temu won't apply anything, and that's the exact step most people miss. That's why the promo code works for some people and looks broken for others. Temu rotates these offers pretty often, so if one code doesn't activate, check the description. I keep it updated with the latest working ones. Click the link, activate the promo the right way, and you should see the discount apply instantly. If it finally works for you, comment below. I like knowing who it helped.